You can now pay directly in crypto on Amazon and many other popular sites in just a few clicks, with no crypto cards, no KYC, and no additional fees. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. It's easier than ever to buy and hold crypto these days, and millions of people have stablecoins sitting around in their wallets. But when it comes to actually spending that crypto in daily life on sites like Amazon, Walmart, and Best Buy, that's when it becomes an issue, because up until now the solutions that we've had for spending crypto online have not been that straightforward, which leaves a big gap between holding crypto and actually using it in day-to-day life as an alternative to fiat currency. Sure, you can now get plenty of crypto debit cards, but they usually come with high processing fees, conversion fees, and a load of other hidden costs. They also require KYC, which is always a massive headache and often comes with geographical restrictions. Then the payments themselves often fail or get blocked for whatever reason. So yeah, that technically is a solution, but there's still a lot of unnecessary friction, and in my opinion that is why crypto cards haven't yet and probably never will see mass adoption. And that is why in today's video I'm going to show you a new alternative called Zero Fiat, a simple browser extension that lets you spend crypto on over 50 of the most popular websites that you already use on a daily basis in just a few clicks. How it works is when you're checking out, you just click the extension at the side, connect your wallet, sign the transaction. Zero Fiat then applies a voucher code of the same value on the website that you're buying from. And instead of paying extra fees, you actually get a small discount for paying in crypto. Let me show you a quick example on Amazon. So here we are on Amazon. For the sake of showing you this, we're just going to buy this random cable. First though, we need to download the Zero Fiat extension. To do that, go ahead and click my early access link in the description or the pinned comment down below. Then just sign up with your email, and my code should already be in there. Enter your email verification code, click continue. Then you just need to follow one of these social platforms. I'm already following their Twitter. Once you've done that, come back here and click continue. That will bring you to the store page. Just click add to Chrome. Obviously you'll need to be using Google Chrome for this. It'll then bring you to their website. Once that's installed, we can go back to Amazon or whatever site you want to use it on. Give it a quick refresh. Go ahead and proceed to checkout. Once we're on the checkout page, you should see this pay with crypto button over on the side here. Click that, then you should see the correct amount in your local currency. Then just choose what crypto you want to pay in. At the moment, they support either USDT or USDC on various different networks. I'm going to do USDT on Solana because that's what I've got in my wallet right now. Click continue, then we can go ahead and connect our wallet. I'm using Phantom personally. Go ahead and authenticate the wallet. Sign this verification thing. Double check that everything looks good and then just click confirm. Confirm the transaction. Just give it a minute to process. It's then going to give you this gift card code to use. It actually applies the voucher code for you automatically. You might need to refresh the page, but once that's done, just go ahead and click use Amazon gift card. Click whatever card you'd normally use. Just make sure up here that it's using your gift certificate so that your order total should be 0. Click use this payment method. Buy now. And there we go, order placed. We just bought something on Amazon in crypto without KYC. If you do want to try it out for yourself, again, my exclusive early access link will be in the description or the pinned comment down below. For now though, I've been me, you've been you. Thanks for watching and see you later.